In today's video, we will discuss how to use his fear of losing you to get him more emotionally involved in the relationship. If you do not follow this advice, you will remain in a mediocre relationship that feels like every day is on replay, where your man no longer looks at you with doughy eyes, wants to listen to your every word, and chase you and pursue you. The technique I'm going to teach you is the most powerful technique to engage a man's fear and inspire him to work for a better relationship and much happier woman. This technique has been labeled the relationship fixer. If you want to make a man fear losing you, comment down below yes right now. I'm Mike Goldstein, and this is the channel that makes dating and relationships easy. That's why I've been known as the Easy Dating Coach. Now, before we get into the technique, please hit like, leave me a comment, share this with someone, anything you can do to help me spread the message so we can get the relationship fixer out to more people and help more people be in happy partnership. Thank you for helping me. All right, so in this relationship or situationship, whatever you have going on, currently you text or call with this person daily. What you are going to do, since you are not having the relationship that you want, is you're going to tell him that you want to talk and text less. Specifically, you want to go on a break for 5 days and not communicate. This will be 5 days of no texting, no calling, and you will not post on social media showing him what you are doing. Now, some of you may think this is a game. This is not a game. We are not playing a game. The women watching this video, you are a high-value woman with a high standard. You don't accept mediocre. Everyone who watches this channel, we are not here for mediocre. We are here for exceptional, phenomenal, amazing relationships and beautiful partnerships. So, if we are not at the standard that we have put up here and we are down here, we are setting this 5-day break with the mindset that if we do not get the result at the end of this strategy, we will leave this relationship because we don't do mediocre. Mediocre is not great. At some point, the fairy tale, the dream, you are going to want it to be up here, so do not stay here. And get in your mind that if he does not step up, you are out. All right. After 5 days, he will reach out and ask what you are thinking. Tell him you are feeling fabulous, but you need X. Whatever X is that you need, bring him up to your standard. Bring him up to what you need. Do not let him stay here. Now you've got him. He's had his 5-day break. He started to miss you. He started to get really scared that you're going to leave him. When he is scared, he is ready to put in effort. So now you ask for what you need. Maybe X is more dates. Maybe X is more attention. Maybe X is certain phone calls. I don't know what X is. You need to figure out what you need, and then you need to tell him. Tell him exactly what you want. And tell him you would feel amazing if he put in that effort. If he doesn't want to put in the effort at this point, I want you to leave the relationship. But if he loves you and desires you and missed you, he's now going to re-engage in the relationship in a big way. All right. Now that you know the relationship fixer, let's make sure this guy is emotionally attached with you in the video, 5 things a man says when he's emotionally attached. Go watch that right now. It's right there. Go click it. 5 things a man says when he's emotionally attached. This will help you.